the most valued company, while the first company is Dash. Fifth company is ICICI Bank and the first company is Reliance Industries. This valuation is based on its market capital. समझ लिया friends? अगला सवाल, which country participated with India in October 2021 in the maiden joint tri-service exercise Konkan Shakti at the Konkan coast in Arabian Sea? It's a type of naval exercise which is done by India and which other country? Answer, United Kingdom. तीसरा सवाल, name the movie that was selected as India's official candidate for 2022 Oscars. Which movie it is? It is Koolangal. It is a Tamil movie, friends. Fourth question, in October 2021, Shaktikanta Das, the Dash governor of RBI, got a Dash tenure extension from the appointment of Committee of the Cabinet, that is ACC. As you all know, Shaktikanta Das is our RBI governor. He got a 3-year extension. He is the 25th governor of RBI. अगला सवाल, American multinational technology conglomerate, that is Facebook, was rebranded as Dash in October 2021. Answer, Meta. Identify the state that topped the 6th edition of Public Affairs Index PAI 2021 published by Public Affairs Center among large states. Answer, Kerala. Name the person who was recently in October 2021 appointed as the MD and CEO of Jammu and Kashmir Bank by the RBI. Answer, Baldev Prakash. Which country recently in October 2021 built the world's largest hydrogen fuel cell power plant? Answer, South Korea. Which became the first Indian state to approve its own wildlife action plan for the year 2021 to 2030? Answer, Maharashtra. Which of the following mobile applications was recently in October 2021 launched by the Election Commission of India ECI for digital mapping of polling booths? Answer, Garuda app. Which insurance company recently in October 2021 partnered with Google Pay to enable the users to buy its health insurance on the Google Pay app? Answer, SBI General Insurance. Dash hosted the first UN Global Media and Information Literacy Week between 24th October to 31st October under the scheme Dash. Answer, it is South Africa. Theme is Media and Information Literacy for the Public Good. Identify the bank that partnered with Indigo to launch a co-branded credit card called Khashink. The bank name is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Name the country that recently in October 2021 signed an MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding, with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India to strengthen the auditing process in public financing. It is most important question, guys. Please read and understand carefully. MOU was signed with our Auditor General of India to strengthen the public financing. Answer, Maldives. Which country recently in October 2021 launched a satellite named Sijan 21 to test and verify space debris mitigation technologies? Answer, China.
Thank you.